Hi, in this video I will share with you a strategy that you can use to start making money online using Digistore affiliate platform. So this strategy requires no money or no previous experience. So it's require no money as I said, so it's for $0. So all of the materials I'm including in this video are for free from the affiliate platform. It's for free, which is Digistore. The landing page, we're gonna use a free landing page builder, which is really easy to set up and to create a landing page. Just in 10 minutes or in 20 minutes you will have a good looking landing page. And I will share with you as well the traffic source that are we gonna use to promote our affiliate links, so this way we can get conversions and sales. So please, if you are interested, make sure to watch this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments section below. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the DIGISTORE24 affiliate platform marketplace. So right here you can find all of the offers that are available for you to start promoting and making money using them. We have a lot of offers, but in this video we're gonna be taking animals and pets niche as an example. The strategy that I'm sharing with you in this video works with all of the niches. With all of these niches you can use it with them and you will get some good results actually. But we're gonna just taking as an example animals and pets, just as an example as I said. So for example, let's go with this digital ebook, which is Dog Owner's Delight. This offer will pay you $6.50 per each conversion or per each sale, which is good, and which is 70% of the whole product price. So so that means that this product is for $10 or $11, something like this, meaning that this product or this ebook is affordable for the traffic that are we gonna get from the platform that I'm gonna share with you. So it's affordable all the time. Make sure that you are working or you are using some affordable when it comes to pricing products, because I see that some people trying to make money with this $300 commission products and sales, but you know it's not affordable. It's a lot of money and you need a super advanced strategy to get conversions for this kind of offer. So if you are a beginner, please stick with this kind of offers, or at least in the beginning. So this way you will get some conversions, because this offers require less money to get conversions as I said. So for example, let's say this is the product that we want to promote. So now I will share with you the landing page that are we gonna use. We will not use ClickFunnels or all of this landing page builders that are require tons of money to start using them. We're gonna use only the Google Sites platform. Google actually are providing us with a good platform to build some good looking landing pages. So as you can see right here, I am using Google Sites, you know, for a while. I'm using it for a while. It's good. It's a good platform. It's easy to set up. It's everything about just drag and drop images. You can get them from Google as well. For example, if I want to change this image that I put right here in the background, I would just click right here on change image and I will click on select image, and you can choose the source that you're gonna get your image from. For example, for search you can go to Google and type something like dogs, and you will get a tons of images that you can use for your landing page. For example, let's say this one, and let's click on select, and boom, this is how it works, and this is how we can change image, and this is how you can change everything which comes to text, logos, buttons, everything. So as you can see, this is just an image or an example image, or I'm sorry, an example landing page, just to give you the idea, or just to get the point or the idea, or what, just to understand and to release what I'm talking about. So this is a free landing page that you can use for your CPA or for your affiliate products. So as you can see, and here is how it looks on the mobiles, because most of the traffic that we gonna get comes from mobile. So as you can see, this is how it looks on desktop format. Training techniques. I'm just enter the title and the name of the offer right here, some text, some descriptions, some images from the offer. I get this image, as you can see right here. If you get noticed this image, I just copy it and paste it on the landing page, so this way people know that I'm talking about the same product and there is a relation between my landing page and the affiliate product or the product I'm promoting. And just insert some, I just put some random text right here. You can insert more information about this ebook, the content on it, what's the the visitor, what's kind of all of the tech, all of the informations about this product. You just need to put them right here, so this way you teach people more about your product or about your affiliate product or affiliate ebook, and this way they get more, they understand more and they decide if they need this ebook or not. So all the time make sure to include all of the informations to make sure you are conveying or you are making people buying it just by browsing and reading your landing page, because this is the purpose of using the landing page actually. And you just can added links right here. So I did 2 links or 2 buttons right here. This is how it works. It's really easy. Make sure to check it out. And this is how it works on the mobile. It looks good, I think. And this is how it looks on the tablet. It's super good. And if you try to to spend more time, something like 50 minutes to 1 hour, you will get something better than that. I do this, or I set up this landing page just in 5 minutes just to record this video. And if you give it more time and if you do some hard work on it, you will have a super converting landing page, and it's completely free from Google sites. Now let's talk about the traffic source that are we gonna use. As you can see right here, we're gonna use Pinterest as a traffic source. Why Pinterest? Because there are millions of people visiting Pinterest each day. It's a huge platform that you can use, and it's for affiliates. It's affiliate friendly. Why? Because this platform allow you to include links into your images on this platform. So this platform is everything about images and links. So you just need to, as you can see right here, here is a lot of other people using the same strategy. For example, this image, or let's say this image as well, like right here. This person is promoting his Medium, I think his Medium article using Pinterest, and he is getting traffic from Pinterest to his Medium article because he is making money from Medium. This is another post or another image, and as you can see right here in this button right here, here is the link. So you're gonna do the same stuff. You will get some images from Google. Use canva.com. You can use canva.com to edit these images, added more text, more stuffs, more items on them. You can get some videos from Instagram stories or TikTok stories about dogs and training and pets, and just take them and re-upload them on Pinterest, and make sure you are including some hashtags, some keywords, so this way these images or your images that you post on Pinterest get ranked as well on Google. So this way you will get traffic from Google as well, because these images get ranked. A lot of time I'm looking for some images on Google, and I noticed that there is a lot of images on Pinterest get ranked on Google, which is a good strategy to get super targeted traffic from Google as well and from Pinterest. That's why I think Pinterest is a good traffic source. So the whole process works like this. You use Digistore or Clickbank or whatever native or whatever, I'm sorry, affiliate, or it works with all of the affiliate networks, Max Bounty, CPE Grip for beginners, all of this kind of networks, it works with them. You just grab your affiliate link, you use a free landing page, which is this one. You can use paid ones, but if you are a beginner, I recommend for you Google Sites. It's completely free and really professional, looks professional. And get your landing page link and share it on Pinterest, and this way you will start getting some clicks and conversions from Pinterest. So I hope you understand how the whole strategy and how it works. That was everything for today's video. See you in the next video, guys.